Yun. Oh, hello mga kapatid. So, kamusta? We're here again and of course, praying and hoping that you're all in good health and good situation right now. And yeah, another day, another blessing, and of course, another workout day with Rashard. So, samahan niyo ulit kami sa yeah, again, simple and basic basketball drills. Actually, dribbling drills tayo today. Same thing, pero may different exercises tayong gagawin. Nandun si Rashard sa labas and darating niya lang actually from school. So, pinagre-relax ko lang siya muna konti, then patutulugin ko. Then, yeah, later. Alright, so samahan niyo ulit kami mga kapatid. Silipin natin si Rashard sa labas. Let's go! Ginagawa niya sa labas. Kanina naglalaro ng PS5 eh. Oh, ayan. Nakapag-merienda na. Hindi ka na naglalaro. I thought you're playing PS5. Nanonood ng ano.
Hey guys, do you want me to play for you?
Hmm?
Do you want me to play for you?
Yeah, later. You have to sleep first.
Now?
And then, yeah, we will work out together, okay? You ready? You finish milk, about a glass of milk.
Yeah. Can I?
Relax na relax ka. Alright guys, see you later. Hello, we're back. Ito na, ready na siya. Kagigising lang. Gusto magbabike daw siya papunta dun sa sa pupunta namin gym. Here, short, other side. Pupunta kami dun sa isang gym. Well, nga pala guys, not necessarily you need to go to the basketball court every time you do your workout. Kahit saan pwede, like sa mga ganyan is open spaces, garage, backyard, front yard, or kami doon sa gym na pinag-workoutan ko, pwede doon. Kasi like for example, ang ginagawa lang naman is like more on dribbling drills pa lang naman. So we don't need a much bigger space. At least makakagalaw, makakadribble ng maayos. May flat surface na sahig, okay na yun. So pagka yung nag-shoot around na, may mga drills na for shooting, for lateral movements and all, doon kailangan na natin syempre ng yung basketball court or yung facility na may hoop. So but for now, pwede tayo kahit saan, okay? Kahit sa tapat lang ng bahay nyo, kahit sa tapat ng kalsada, but just to make sure na safe. Baka maraming mga dumadaan na sasakyan, iwas tayo doon. Or even sa garahe, pwede. So kailangan lang talaga natin dito is bola. Kahit nakapaa, nakachinelas, or syempre mas maganda nakasapatos, pero importante is may bola lang. So yun lang, mga basic fundamentals of dribbling. So pwede tayo kahit saan. Alright, so let's go short, come on. Training na yung aso niya. Ito na kami. Buksan ko lang. Sir, can you hold this?
No, I got the.
Alright, open it. Hurry up. Yan, pasok lang kami dito guys. Anong kailangan? Bola and space like this. At least medyo maluwag na yan. Pwede na yan. Alright. So we'll start in a bit. Let's go! Yon! What's up mga kapatid? So ito na, start na tayo. Nakapag-workout na rin ako habang natutulog yung isang yan. So okay na ako. So I'm ready also for our training today. Are you ready, Shard?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's do this. There you go. All right, so first exercise, warm up, like wrap around waist and ankle. So first is wrap around the ball, like this. Counting, of course, and then only here down. All right, then I said reverse, like that, and that's the first exercise. Okay, so you do it short. Come on. Yeah, I'll count like 30. Come on, let's go. Close your foot with your feet together. Come on, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Waist. 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 20, 1. Don't be in a hurry, it's okay. Come on, let's go. 8, 9, 30. Reverse, reverse. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, sharp. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ankle, ankle. Good. Five, 10. Come on, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. So we need to do that 5 times, and then we move to another exercise. Okay. All right. The next one is, what the importance of that drill is to familiarize the ball on our hands. All right. So we have a good control on the ball. So now next is we will practice in our between the legs. So before we go straight to dribbling, what we're gonna do first is spread our legs like this, and then between without dribbling. Alright? So same thing, we have to do it 30 counts. Okay? That 30 counts of that, and we need to do it for 5 sets as well. Alright? And after that, we go third set. The third exercise is in between the legs. Alright? So do that first. Come on, short. Come on, let's go. You have to control on the ball. Spread your legs. Spread. Spread more. Alright. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, and 7. Come on, sharp. 8, 29, 30. Good job. Good job. So we're done with our second exercise. As you can see, guys, kung napapansin nyo si Rashard, medyo nahihirapan siya sa between the leg na walang dribble. Kasi, as you notice, we are using the regular ball. This is a size 7 ball. This is the regular basketball. Possibly, kailangan sa kanya yung number 6 lang or number 5. But I decided to gamitin niya is yung regular size basketball na. So, pagdating niya sa mga tournaments niya, like for example, hindi natin masabi, minsan ginagamit na bola doon is regular. Kaya sa mga 9 under, 10 under, regular yung ginagamit na bola. So, at least sanay na siya. So, it's much better kung ipagamit sa kanila. There, is size 7, size 8, or size 6 na bola. And then, medyo mas ma-handle niya yung pagdating na bola. So, for now, our training, we're doing the regular size ball, which is size 7. Okay, so this is our third exercise. We need to do it also 5 times, 5 sets of 30. 30 means 30 reps, 30 dribbling, like for example. 1, this is 1, 2, 3. So we do now between the legs. Alright? Same thing, spread your legs. Alright. Yan, napapansin nyo rin guys, palitan lang kami ng paghawak ng camera. Maliit na production lang tong YouTube channel natin. I don't even have a editor. So ako lang din yung nag-edit nito. Ako lang din yung nagpo-post. So yun, once na lumaki to, and God's willing, makakuha tayo or makapag-provide tayo ng editor natin, yung mas magaling. Alright? So for the meantime, kami muna to. Alright? So let's go, Shard. Do the between the legs. 1. Come on. 4. Come on. 1 Shard. No dribble. Direct. Yeah, direct between. Good. Come on, last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. That's okay. It's okay to stumble, at least you will practice. So we need to do that 5 times, okay? So we're done with our third exercise. This is our fourth one. We do the same thing between the legs, but now we put 1 dribble, 1 pound in front of your toes, 1 pound here, then between. Pound between. Before, what we did was straight between. Now pound between. Same thing, 30. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30. So your turn. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Shark. Medyo nahihirapan pa siya. Matagal kasi siya na-stop din. But before, he was doing that just fine. But that's okay. It's okay to get back to 0. Alright, now 1 pound. Then between. Ready, 30, same thing, 30. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1, 10, 12, 14. Control the ball. 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, and 6, 28, 30. Good. That's okay. That's okay. Alright, with that, was it our fourth exercise? So this is our fifth one, which is the last one for today. Alright, the last video, we do the V dribble, right? And now we will put combination like V, cross. Same thing, 30 or 5 sets, okay? I'll do it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, this combination of cross and V shape. Alright, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't hit the knee, Shark. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Good job. So, we're done. Again guys, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kapatid. Nakaabot kayo dito sa up to this last part or this part ng video. Maraming salamat. We really appreciate you actually. Sana may natutunan kayo sa munting paraan namin para makapag-share habang tinuturuan ko or tinitrain ko si Rashard. So again guys, like I said, this is not a big YouTube account or what, but again, tayo magpapalaki nito, and if I'm not asking too much, your subscription will be much appreciated, as I told you. So yeah, just subscribe. If you want also to share, click that share and the like button para at least ma-notify kayo every time na meron tayo bagong video i-release. So for now, I think dito muna namin tatapusin yung video na to, and then Rashard also will say thank you sa inyo, and yun, I always pray and hope na y'all on a safest position, safest situation, and stay fit, stay blessed, stay healthy. God bless you all, and Rashard will take it away. Come on, Shard, say thank you to them. Again, ako ulit hawak ng camera kasi dalawa lang kami. Say, Shard, what are you gonna say to them?
Thank you.
Alright, that's it. Before I forget, yung mga exercise natin guys, sa mga daddies dyan, sa mga kapatid natin dyan, ituturuan nyo yung anak nyo or kayo mismo gagawa, yung mga kabataan dyan, mga kabataan dito sa YouTube natin, continue sa doing those exercise, at least kahit napapagod, nangangawit, para nami-memorize ng muscle. Kung nangawit na, much better. Ibig sabihin, nami-memorize ng muscle nga, yung tinatawag na muscle memory. So, during the game, pag na-master mo yun, madali na mag-dribble. So, yun lang. Keep the attitude of, repetitions, and repetitions. Alright, 5 sets of those, at least 30 reps every exercise, 5 sets of those. Again, maraming salamat, and God bless you all.